How to see who shared your Instagram post on story. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who shared your post on their Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now here open the post you want to see who shared. Now here tap on these three dots in the top right of the post. Here you will see the view story reshares option. Tap on it. Here it will show who reshared your post. Only you will be able to see the public reshares, not the private one. So tap on this and here I can see that this account has shared my post on their story. So this is how you can see who shared your post on Instagram story. Thanks for watching.